Hi, I'm Calvin with Innovair, and we're going to replace the intake air filter on an IM30. So we're going to start with pulling this panel off. I got 4 half-turn latches. Sometimes it can stick a little. Just give it a little nudge. I'm going to loosen up both of these fasteners. Pull both these off. We got a metal plate that helps hold the air filter on there. So here we removed the cover. Now we're about to pull the air filter itself off. It can be a little sticky sometimes on the first change. Get the new filter in. There's that. Put that cover back on. The only important step to the air filter change is making sure you get these good and tight. Just making sure they're tight so you got a good seal on the air filter, so the air filter is doing its job and filtering all the air going into the blower. So that's how you change the air filter on an IM30, and that's all there is to it.